Hi there, it's Ronnie, and today is already day 13 of our journey from $1 to $100,000. In the last session, I showed you the strategy with triple trades using Super Trend, and it gave quite a powerful result. But now I've reached the most important stage. My balance has already exceeded $83,000, and the goal is literally just one step away. Today, I'm changing my trading approach, not just one trade, but several in a row, 2, 3, and even 4 trades simultaneously. This increases profits and spread the risk. Such an approach can bring me much closer to the finish line, but the price of a mistake here is also much higher. And if you want to learn how to read charts faster and see clear entry points, join my Telegram. There I share strategies, trade breakdowns, and useful materials that you won't find on YouTube. The link is under this video. As always, message me and I'll add you. So I'll start as usual with the setup to get the most accurate entry points for trades. Chart type Heikin Eishi, time frame 2 minutes. I'm not overcomplicating things. Today I'll trade with just one indicator, MACD. It shows the trend direction, trend strength, and reversal moments. So now let's set it up. Fast period 12, this is the fast EMA, reacts to the last 12 candles. Slow period 26, this is the slow EMA, shows smoother movement. Signal period 5, this is the smoothing for the signal life. These settings make MACD fast, meaning it will generate signals more often. For the colors, main line blue, signal line gray, histogram up orange, and histogram down, same orange. The chart is ready. So let's begin with the first trade. Based on the forecast, the price should go up. I'm opening 2 buy trades of 1,250 each. Signal time 2 minutes. And here is my logic. Look, MACD shows the blue line crossing the gray line from below. This is called a bullish crossover. Also, the histogram stopped falling and is starting to rise, meaning the buyer's strength is increasing. And look at the candles. Green candles have appeared. This means a real bullish impulse has begun. The market is reversing. And I'm waiting for trade closure. First closes 0, second closes 0 as well. Alright, so let's analyze why. MACD had just started to cross. Buyer's momentum hadn't accelerated yet. Expiration landed right during a pullback and consolidation, so the price didn't move above entry. The Heikin Eishi candle at entry already showed a pause, small body and wicks, signaling balance of forces. Now it is clear I entered too early. Now I need to recover my lost balance, and I see an excellent entry point. I'm opening 4 sell trades of $1,250 each. Here is why I entered so confidently. The MACD shows the blue line crossing the gray line from top to bottom, and the histogram is already going negative, expanding. This is a classic signal of strengthening bearish momentum. Heikin Eishi chart, after the green series, a powerful red candle appears immediately, practically eating the previous growth. The market has clearly switched to a downtrend. Everything lines up into a single picture. Waiting for closure, and my balance increases by $2,400 4 times. Perfect. I've recovered the loss and even gained extra on top. You can practice by yourself, or you can learn from someone's experience. In my Telegram channel, I show live trading, give tips, and answer the questions. Join, the link is under this video, message me and I'll add you. For the next trade, I'm going long again for trades of $1,375 each. This scheme works perfectly, and here is why I'm confident. On MACD, the blue line has crossed the gray one from below, a classic reversal signal. The histogram is also turning upward from negative towards 0. And at the last low, the price kept falling, but the indicator showed a higher low. This is divergence, which often predicts growth. Candles confirm my logic. Together, the picture looks like this. Candles show sellers weakening and buyers gaining strength, and MACD confirms the reversal. So the buy trade here is fully justified. Waiting for closure, balance increases by $2,640, and of course 3 times more the same amount. Just brilliant. Now I'm entering another trade based on my forecast. The price will go up. I'm opening 3 buy trades of $2,000 each. Look at the chart. The MACD shows the blue line crossing the gray from below, another bullish signal. The histogram is also rising from negative values towards zero, showing stronger bullish momentum. After a series of red candles, long lower wicks appeared, followed by green candles with no lower shadows and higher lows. This is a clear sign sellers weakened and buyers took the initiative. So MACD gives a bullish signal, candles confirm the trend change, and together it makes a valid buy trade. Waiting for closure, I get $3,840 3 times. Just excellent. So I'm continuing. Now I'm opening another buy trade, 3 trades of $2,000 each. Let's see how this plays out. Once again, the blue line of MACD crosses the gray line from below, a classic bullish reversal signal. The histogram also moves upward from negative towards zero. Momentum shifts in buyers' favor. MACD gives a strong bullish signal, and the candles confirm the reversal. The buy trade looks well justified, so I'm waiting for the close, and my balance grows $3,840 plus 2 more times. I'm very satisfied. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I think now it's the perfect time to do that. Alright, so I think now is the perfect time to enter one final trade. This will be the last one for today. I'm opening 4 buy trades of $1,625 each. The fast MACD line is pulling upward toward the signal line, and the histogram is narrowing. This means selling pressure is weakening. Plus, at the last low, price went lower, but MACD didn't make a new low. Divergence, often a signal of upcoming growth. The Heiken Ashi candle shows small reds with long lower wicks, then a transition into greens with no lower shadows. Buyers are taking control. This buy trade is well justified. Waiting for closure, my balance grows $3,120 4 times. Unbelievable, I just did it. And here it is. I did it from $1 to 107 grand. 13 days, dozens of trades, different strategies, and each session was a step toward this goal. There were wins, losing trades, moments of doubt, but this proved one thing: discipline and a systematic approach work. This challenge showed the most important truth. Even with the smallest amount, you can reach the biggest capital if you stick to a strategy and control your emotions. Thank you for going through this journey with me. New goals and experiments are ahead. But today, I celebrate my victory of $107,000 because I believe it was honestly earned and justified.